Welcome to CoinChanger, your guide to cryptocurrency. Today, we'll explore how to withdraw your crypto from Bittrex in 2024. First, log into your Bittrex account. Make sure your security verifications are complete and you have a verified wallet. Navigate to the Wallet section and find the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Click the Withdraw button next to the coin. In a new window, enter the recipient wallet address. Use CoinChanger or a preferred wallet management tool. Generate a new wallet address for your chosen cryptocurrency. Copy the wallet address from CoinChanger and paste it into the withdrawal window on Bittrex. Specify the withdrawal amount, considering any applicable transaction fees. Double-check all the information, including the wallet address and amount. Confirm to proceed. Bittrex will initiate the withdrawal. It may take some time depending on network congestion. Monitor the progress using Bittrex's transaction history or a blockchain explorer. Once the transaction is confirmed, your crypto is securely transferred to your chosen wallet. That's how you withdraw crypto from Bittrex in 2024 on CoinChanger. Stay updated on security measures to protect your digital assets. Happy investing! Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.